So, who actually needs this?
Well, pretty much everyone really needs an aspect of estate planning. So, if you have any assets or loved ones, whereby sometimes when we think about loved ones, we think about maybe the people that are biologically mine, or sometimes maybe people who are quite sort of close to me, but not so much so. Loved ones could be organizations that are dear to your heart.
That's right.
Charities out there. It could be even a party out there, or an association out there, whereby you have some level of affiliation with, that you need to put a plan in place. And the thing was that if you don't put a plan in place, all sort of things can happen. Okay? Or if you don't have a plan in place, all sort of things can happen.
Someone will plan for you.
Somebody will plan for you. The court, the system will plan for you. There might be issues while no longer here, and maybe, depending, the estate might incur taxations, which you don't want. If you work hard for it, if you have it, why don't you ensure that you keep as much of it? And then pass as much of it on as possible.
And it's not a case of, avoiding tax. It's a case of being efficient with your tax.
Absolutely. Being efficient with the taxation, no, at all. It's not a case of avoiding tax at all. So because the system is there for us to use when it comes to taxation, when it comes to the rules and regulations, it's there for us to use to our advantage. So ensuring that the right rules and also the right tax laws and then the right measures are employed to your advantage is really what it's about. And what is quite striking is that talking about efficiency, there are so many people out in the UK, and it's not just the UK, around the world, where they don't have things in place to help them to manage this efficiency.
That's right.
I mean, in the UK at the moment, there's more than 50%.
Wow.
People don't have the basic estate planning tool.
Wow.
And it's quite striking. I mean,
you would have thought that this is a developed country.
Yeah.
And therefore people are well educated, people plan, people work really hard, and therefore they will put the right structures in place. More than half, that's
more than 50% don't have anything in place. It's just, so people, the whole concept of death is far away, and nobody want to think about death. Absolutely,
I can see why.